Singapore, a city-state so small it could fit into the pocket of its neighbors, yet so rich in culture, innovation, and soul. It captures the world's imagination. Welcome to the Lion City, where ancient traditions meet futuristic dreams, and every corner tells a story. Today we're uncovering the best places to visit in Singapore, not just as a tourist, but as a traveler hungry for meaning, flavor, and adventure. Imagine a place that's as small as a city, yet feels as vast as a continent, where skyscrapers stretch like bamboo shoots and centuries-old temples stand just across from glass towers. Welcome to Singapore, a city-state, a cultural mosaic, a futuristic garden built on dreams and determination. In this journey, we'll go beyond the tourist checklist. We'll unravel the layers, explore the flavors, and feel the rhythm of the Lion City. One story, one place, one heartbeat at a time. We begin at the iconic Marina Bay Sands, not just a hotel, but a symbol of Singapore's soaring ambition. From the Sky Park, you see the city unfold like a sci-fi dream glass, water and light in perfect balance. Below it lies a garden of wonder, Gardens by the Bay. These towering super trees are more than just art, they're living vertical gardens, pulsing with sustainability. And every evening, they dance in light. Set to a symphony of traditional gongs and modern beats, a reflection of Singapore itself. If cities were books, Marina Bay would be the cover, bold, sleek, and irresistible. Marina Bay Sands isn't just a hotel, it's an architectural exclamation mark. Imagine a ship floating atop 3 towers, it's as if Singapore dared gravity to dream. From the Sky Park, you get a god's eye view of the city, endless, clean, alive. Come sunset, the entire skyline turns into a canvas of fire and gold. A short walk below leads to a scene straight from a sci-fi film. Gardens by the Bay feels like walking into the future of Eden. The Super Tree Grove, towering metal trees laced with plants and light, becomes a surreal orchestra by night. Don't miss the Cloud Forest Dome, where mist, kisses, orchids, and a 35-meter indoor waterfall roars like nature taking a deep breath. If you want to taste the soul of Singapore, follow your nose to the hawker centers. Maxwell Food Center and Lau Pa Sat are sacred grounds for food lovers. Here, Michelin-starred chicken rice sits beside century-old recipes passed down through generations. Try the Hainanese chicken rice, a national treasure. Or savor laksa, its spicy coconut broth warming your soul. These aren't just dishes, they're cultural heirlooms, seasoned with Chinese, Malay, and Indian roots. In Singapore, food isn't just sustenance, it's identity. And the hawker centers are its sacred temples. Think of them as open-air food cathedrals where every stall is a sermon of flavor. Step into Little India, and time feels different. The scent of jasmine, curry leaves, and incense guides you to temples where rituals are still whispered in ancient tongues. Inside the Sri Veeramakaliamman Temple, the oldest Hindu temple in Singapore, bells ring as prayers rise. This district isn't just a place, it's a living canvas of Tamil culture. Vibrant festivals like Deepavali, and the haunting melodies of the Nadaswaram, a South Indian wind instrument echoing through the streets. Little India is a living kaleidoscope. Its color in every frame, rhythm in every footstep, spice in every breath. like walking through a Bollywood film in real life. Chinatown is a tale of resilience and heritage. Beneath the shophouses lie stories of early migrants, their hopes wrapped in red paper and dragon symbols. At the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, monks chant in deep rhythmic tones, the tangu drums gently echoing across polished halls. It's not just about religion, it's about identity, preservation, and quiet beauty amid city noise. Chinatown is a bridge between generations where incense meets innovation. Here, heritage isn't preserved in glass, it's lived daily. Need a break from the buzz? Sentosa is Singapore's adrenaline escape. Zipline through jungle, dive into aquarium realms, or simply walk barefoot on Siloso Beach. But beyond the thrill rides and luxury stays lies Fort Siloso, where echoes of World War II still whisper through the bunkers, a reminder of Singapore's strategic past and unwavering courage. Sentosa is Singapore's playground, an island escape just minutes away, like Narnia through a monorail. Sentosa Island, an entertainment haven. From Universal Studios Singapore to SEA Aquarium, Sentosa offers a perfect blend of adrenaline-pumping rides and breathtaking marine life. Singapore's musical roots run deep. The Erhu, a Chinese two-stringed fiddle, weaves emotion into classical performances. The Singapore taiko drum drives weddings and processions, and the angklung, made of bamboo, brings the community together in harmony. Whether at the Esplanade or a humble cultural center, these instruments breathe life into the nation's diverse heritage. Step into Kampong Glam, and it's like entering a time capsule with a street-style remix. Once a Royal Malay district, now it's where tradition dons sneakers. With its golden dome glowing like a rising sun, the Sultan Mosque is a symbol of faith and resilience. Built in 1824, it remains a cornerstone for the Muslim community. Kampong Glam is where bold meets sacred. The Sultan Mosque, with its golden dome, is the heart of this Malay-Muslim quarter. Here, artists and designers set up shop beside ancient carpet traders. Stroll down Haji Lane, a kaleidoscope of street art, vintage fashion, and Arabic calligraphy. Grab a cup of teh tarik and listen the alleyways here sing a fusion of youth and reverence. In a city of steel and glass, nature still breathes. At MacRitchie Reservoir, you can trek treetop bridges. Take the treetop walk, a suspension bridge that lets you stroll through rainforest canopies, spot monkeys, monitor lizards, and hear birdsong older than the nation itself. Or visit the Singapore Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where ancient rain trees and the delicate Vanda Miss Joaquim. It's home to over 10,000 species of flora. Don't miss the National Orchid Garden, where the flowers are as diplomatic as they are delicate. Singapore's national flower, bloom proudly. Before the day ends, walk Orchard Road, where luxury brands glitter beside hidden local gems. Then head to Clarke, where music spills from riverside bars and laughter echoes over cocktails and chili crab. This is modern Singapore. Efficient, electric, but never dull. Always inviting. Always evolving. Orchard Road is where retail therapy meets design dreams. It's Fifth Avenue on tropical steroids. As the sun sets, Clarke Quay comes alive, riverside bars, live music, and plates of chili crab you'll dream about for days. Singapore isn't just a destination, it's an idea. A harmony of cultures, flavors, and visions. A country built on dreams, designed with precision and delivered with heart. Whether you're chasing adventure or simply searching for meaning, this city will leave a mark on your soul. Singapore may be small, but its stories are immense. It's not just a destination, it's a revelation. From sacred temples to skyline pools, from bamboo flutes to blazing street food, every moment here is a chapter worth remembering. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Singapore. If this journey sparked your wanderlust, don't keep it to yourself. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really helped my channel grow and brings me one step closer to monetization. Your support means the world to me. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep feeling, and never stop being curious.